What are you up to?
It'll be in the case. I've costed up the cost of getting dual charges for every single camera.
Yeah.
I have like in the arsenal, and it's like pretty good.
Damn.
It's actually worse than I thought it would be. This is a really convenient thing to do using toilet rolls.
For wire holders.
Yeah, for holding wires.
Yeah.
So we've finally arrived at Saunton Sands. The hill to go down was all the way over there.
Let's take a shortcut. Sure, how long have we been travelling?
We've been travelling almost 4 hours.
How long do we have here?
We have about 15.
We've got a 3-page checklist.
Yeah.
This is not enough time.
How's that?
It's really sandy.
Yeah, man, we can
Oh, mate, that's sick. So this box was waiting for me this morning. It's full of these fun things. And inside it was a brand new Blackmagic camera. I already have a Blackmagic camera, but for a stupidly long time, the HDMI port on that camera has been broken. I've been unable to shoot with external monitors like this one or these aperture ones. Blackmagic being the crazily nice company that they are, they gave me a brand new camera because my old one wasn't working properly. It's time to see if this camera is actually repaired. The last time we were able to use an external monitor instead of this tiny built-in monitor was like almost a year ago. So, all being well, when I turn this camera on, it will work. The questions we need to answer in this are why the heck this project is taking forever, and why the heck the Filmmaker Chronicles is not being uploaded.
We have not been posting anything, not even like a tweet has been sent. We have the will, with the bro power, and we are gonna finish this damn project.
It was meant to take a few months, and it took
16 months, about that.
about that. Yeah.
Yeah.
It was meant to be quick, and it wasn't.
Yeah. Just shit happened, and we've taken many breaks. But breaks are never a bad thing.
Breaks are a good thing.
You know, as long as they're breaks. That's the thing you got to remember, kids.
Skydiving us. Falling. Down to velocity.
That was
Oh,
literally
Win.